All right, ladies and gentlemen, and it's time for our end of the day post wave report. We're running a little bit behind schedule, hence some extra preparation I needed to do. So let's just jump right into it because we have a few things to discuss. So first and foremost, tomorrow kicks off the report day. We got CPI coming out tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard New York time, followed by Thursday's more data with jobless claims. So things should be on and popping. Going into the news announcement, I will not be placing any trades in the stock index futures because, as you know, out of the past four CPI reports, there was only one, and that was the last one out of the four that we didn't have like a 800-point rally in the market. So you can expect increased volatility for sure tomorrow morning in the stock indices. That means the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Russell. So I'm not touching those until after the news comes out and is released. And that's because I don't know if the intraday price inflection points will be violated, moments before the report even comes out, because remember, the institutions get the numbers, they get the information a few minutes before the public does. They pay for that information. So that's why they get it. So with that being said, there could be a lot of front running. It could be just a lot happening. Now, the price inflection points as indicated on the Pulse Wave report tonight, and the reports are up, all right? You're going to want to stick to the script more than ever before tomorrow, all right? Let the Pulse Wave price triggers get you in and out of your trades, okay? Don't try to overthink it. Don't try to second guess anything. Don't try to assume you're smarter than the system or you're smarter than the markets. Just relax. Take a deep breath. You're not going to miss out on anything. Trust me, you are not going to miss out on anything. All right. The markets have been pretty much stagnant. Okay. So if this report is bullish, right? And let's say the market rallies tomorrow, you say, man, I missed it. I didn't get a chance to get in. You didn't miss it. All right. Because that means it's the start of a new leg higher. Okay. If the market just absolutely, utterly collapses tomorrow, and you say, man, I missed a chance to short. You won't miss a chance to short because tomorrow will set the stage for the first beginning of the new leg down in a bearish cycle. So either way you put it, tomorrow could be a day one, depending on what the market does and where it closes. So you don't have the fear of missing out to be concerned about, all right? The pulse waves are designed to get you in the action, all right? Even if it's not the initial part of the action, is still designed to get you in. Case in point, the Bitcoin futures chart ahead of us, you see a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The bearish trend momentum reading has fallen off, and it looks like the beginning stages of a bear market have been cut short. The bulls, they've come in to save the day. We got a bullish trend momentum reading for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Bitcoin is looking like it may have put in a bottom. And now it looks like the bull market is reclaiming the price action in Bitcoin. All right. So the initial upside target is at the bottom of the Kumo cloud here at 28,450. That's 3,000 points basically from where you are. Okay. So just chill. Be ready for this one. It's okay to trade the Bitcoin because it's not going to be, it's not going to matter. CPI is not going to affect Bitcoin. All right. Bitcoin's going to do what it's going to do. Okay. It moves the way it moves. You don't have to be concerned about trading the Bitcoin. All right. Next up, XRP Ripple. We got a neutralized bar for tonight and tomorrow's trading with a rally alert. So if this one moves, where is it going? Kumo cloud here at 67 cents. That's your initial upside target on your Ripple. Next up is wheat. Bear market. The bear market has reclaimed the price action and the market is falling. Prices are falling. gunning for the 52-week lows. I think once that happens, it's a strong possibility that's where the bottom will be. The market put in a bottom and then rally from there. So I wouldn't, fall in love with the downside in these grains. There's a lot of things in the works that will make these grains jump as high as Bitcoin. Don't be surprised if in 2024 grain prices are trading at the same price as Bitcoin. All right. Soybeans, bearish, bear market, locked in trend still. So, it's downside for now. Corn still has a bullish trend momentum reading. And we got a bot check, a positive bot check here on corn. Let's see how parabolic the bar can move. How high does the price want to go? Does it want to come up here and jump to about 524? Let's see. We know an upsurge is coming in corn, folks. Any day now, any moment now. Next up is silver. Still has a bearish trend momentum reading, still in a free fall status, still on its way to testing and taking out $22 support. Nat gas still in a bear market, and we're neutralized going into tomorrow. The Dow. You got a negative bot check, folks. We got a negative bot check. That means that the downside is imminent. Looks like the market's tired of hanging out at the top of the cumulo cloud and wants to come back down here to the bottom of the cloud. All right. You got a negative bot check. That's all I'm saying. I'm saying you got a negative bot check. All right. What you do with that information is your own affair. I'm just here to tell you what's what. A down move is coming. It's imminent when you get these bot checks, okay? There are times where you'll get a bot check and won't nothing happen for a while. All right. But when it happens, oh boy, does it happen. Back here, positive bot check, positive bot check, positive, 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 and nothing was happening. Then on the last one, there you go. Okay. So, yeah, it lets you know that the move is coming. And sure enough, it comes. So, look out below and you're down. Next up is, let's see what we got here. The NASDAQ 100. All right. So, if you look here at the NASDAQ, it still has a bearish trend momentum reading. You're still in sell the rally mode here too. All right. But what does the market want to do? It doesn't know. Does the bull market want to reclaim the price action in these stock indices? Is that what it's trying to do? Is the market trying to turn bullish? If these bearish trend momentum readings turn green, folks, that means that the trend has reclaimed the price action and we're going higher. So just be prepared for that. Next up is gold futures, bearish trend momentum reading, and you're in a free fall status. And that's what's what. All right. It is what it is, man. I think the hammer is about to fall in gold. All right. It wants to come back down here and test the 1900 support. It might break through it this time, folks. All right. The S&P 500, same thing. Bearish trend momentum reading. Markets at the top of the Kumo cloud here. Is it going to break through? Does the bull market want to reclaim the price action, or is something else in the works? We're about to find out. Next is crude oil. Bullish trend momentum reading, which means that the bear market rally continues. Also, our orange bars have changed to blue, which is the beginning stages of a bull market. And the fact that this thing keeps going confirms that we're about to break $100 oil again. All right. So that's something you got to look at also. Be prepared for that. Next up is the euro. Bearish trend momentum reading, free fall status. Your bars have turned orange, meaning that you're in jeopardy of starting the beginning stages of a bear market in the euro. Pound sterling. Still in the green zone, still in the bull market, but with a bearish trend momentum reading and a free fall status. More downside to come for your pound sterling. The Aussie bullish trend momentum reading. All right, you had that initial rally alert the other day. You got an initial upside production. Another rally alert scheduled for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Market's going to try to make it back close to 66 as possible. We'll see if it can do it. Next up is the Russell bearish trend momentum reading, and you're still, you're like right here. You're right at the Kumo cloud, the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So still a lot of selling pressure here in your Russell. I don't know if it's going to be able to do anything. We'll see. Next up is copper, locked in bear market, lower prices coming, nothing to see there. Ethereum futures also has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, and the Kumo cloud here is at we'll call this 1835. So 1835 is the upside target here on your Ethereum futures. All right, I see you, Antonio. You say, what up next? Hey, why are the intraday buy triggers and daily sell triggers the same on the reports? The intraday buy and the intraday sell. I'm gonna have to take a look at that. Just on same, not all. Oh, just on some, not all. All right, I have to take a look at that. I'll take a look at that. Now, give me a in the trade room. Give me post me an example so that I can go in and take a look and see what's going on. Because if that's happening, there may be an explanation, or there could be some type of bug, and I'll have to fix it. So if you can find me an example you're talking about, post it in the trading room, and I will take a look at it first thing. All right. Let's see what else we got here. That should do it. All right, we're done. 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard New York time tomorrow morning. It is coming. All right. The big report, the big papa is coming, and you definitely want to be ready for it. We don't know what the market is going to do. All right. Even if we had the information on what the report was going to be, we don't know the market's response to said report. And that's where the issue comes in. We don't know what we don't know. All right. So we'll see. We'll see what the word is, and we'll see what the market intends to do about it. So it's going to be some excitement. We're back to volatility in the markets and all that good stuff. Kiddies are back in school. Um, Summer vacation's over, so we'll see what happens. All right. Okay, I see you. I see what you're saying on TECS. Yeah, I do see that. Okay, that is odd. All right. And did you say, you said the QQQ? Yeah, let me let me see the QQQ. Let me see. Okay, yeah. I'm going to double check this, and I'll post an update in the trade room. All right, folks, you know what it is. The system works if you work the system. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button, and I'll see ya in the next one. Peace.